When considering a hardwood floor for your Arizona home, there are 3 basic installation methods to consider: nail down, glue down, and floating. Let's start with the nail down application. In Arizona, most of our homes are built with concrete subfloors. So to nail down a hardwood floor, we have to install a subfloor system. We start by laying a moisture barrier over the concrete to protect your floor from moisture. We then spike a 5/8 or 3/4 inch plywood over the moisture barrier to give us a surface to nail or staple to. Next, we roll out an unoiled felt paper over the plywood to reduce wood-on-wood squeaking. The final step of this application would be to nail the plank down directly to the plywood subfloor. If planned for, these systems work great in Arizona, but it's best to consult with a local professional before going this direction. Now for glue down applications. Because homes are built with concrete slabs, glue down applications are the most common in Arizona. It makes it easier to manage transitions to carpet and tile because we do not have to put down a thick subfloor system. First, the glue is troweled to the proper specifications. Then the engineered hardwood is laid on top of the adhesive in a tongue and groove application. Urethane-based adhesives are recommended for this application because they will be flexible when the wood expands and contracts. This is our preferred method in Arizona. Now for floating applications. Floating applications are held down by gravity. We first roll a pad out over the concrete to mitigate sound and moisture. The planks are then laid on top of the pad and secured by gluing the tongue and groove together, or the plank will have a built-in locking or click mechanism that secures the boards together. Laminate floors are almost always floated, while engineered hardwood will have the option to glue or float. Floating applications have a bit more movement to them, but can sometimes be good for people with back or knee problems. For questions about these applications or to learn more, please go to azwood.com.